Hey guys! So today I wanted to show you guys how to make place cards. I'm making a masquerade place card for a friend's birthday party. So what I'm going to do is go into Design Space. I'm in here. I'm going to click on Templates. Actually, no. Projects. And then I'm going to search place cards. And I think I'll just use this one. Customize it. And so I don't need this. I'm going to delete that. I don't even know what that is. So I'm going to duplicate. Actually, no, I'm going to delete that. I'm going to use this shape. Then I'm going to add another one. And I'm going to stretch it out to approximately where I want it, just like that. And then I'm going to go into Images. And I'm going to put in Mask. And I'm just going to look at all the masses that they have in here and see which one I would like. I want something that looks like a masquerade type. Okay, this looks good. So I add that to canvas. And then I'm going to shrink that. And I'm going to put it right here. I think that looks centered. Let's arrange it. No, let's... Oops. Okay, so I just did an update, so everything looks like super weird. Okay, so I'll just put it right there. That looks good. And I'm not allowed to align it. Why is that? Interesting. Okay, well, that looks like the middle. And then I'm going to select both of them and I'm going to attach it. So that becomes a basic cut there. Then I'm going to add text and I'm going to write the birthday girl's name. And then I'm going to change the font into October. Click that one. Going to make this a little smaller and I'm going to change this to a pen because I want it to be drawn on. I'm going to add that right there. See, this is what I was looking for earlier. Center it. And it's centered. Perfect. Whoops. Forgot to group it. So I'm going to attach that. And then it's going to go on the card like this. Let's just move this card down here a little bit. I'm just going to blow this up a little bit more. And then that's how it's going to look like. And I'm going to cut this out. This outside color is going to be gold. So let's pretend that's gold. The inside's going to be black. This mask part's going to be, the card's going to be black, so the mask is going to peep through the gold. Then the writing, I'm going to probably do like a metallic gold or, yeah, probably a metallic gold. So I'm going to cut that and then I will show you how it looks like. Okay, so what I did was I put my cardstock underneath and I added my foil paper on top. And I'm just putting painter's tape to tape it all up to make sure that the foil paper doesn't move because it's really fragile. So if you don't do that, then literally it'll just rip and you have to do it again. There you go. And then I'm going to feed it into my machine and I'm going to press cut. So what it's doing right now is it's foiling the names for me first, like that. And then once it's done foiling, it's going to tell you to not eject the paper and you want to take off the foil paper, then press cut again, and it's going to cut out your design. So once it's cut, I took it out. Now I'm just taking off my tape and I'm going to go in and take off each square. And I find that this is super fast and easy. It's just a little tedious because of the little feathers and stuff, which I actually forgot to weld it together. So it didn't actually stick to the card like I wanted to. But I'm just going to go and glue it on instead of doing it all over again. Because you know foil is expensive. So now I'm just going to put it on my cardstock, my glitter cardstock. And then I'm going to go in and just make sure the mask looks perfect there, like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some glue. And I'm just going to get my glue gun, which is off camera. I'm just going to put it around the card. And I'm going to stick it on the middle of the card. Then add the mask part. And then add the feathers after that. So like that. Looks super cute. And also, if you like the videos, please subscribe because I'll be coming up with a lot of fall tutorials and really cool things to decorate your home and stuff. So it'll be pretty fun. And also back to school and some winter stuff. So, okay. And then for this, I'm using double-sided tape because it's, if you use the glue gun, you can totally see it. So I'm doing the double-sided tape. But I got this one from the dollar store, which is absolutely not good. They don't stick that well. So I'm just going to have to deal right now and then put the feathers on. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe and we'll see you in our next tutorial. Bye friends!